Fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw our lemonade bottles. It wasn't any kind of, it was rice. There's my mum, she's dead. Anyway, I want to tell you about a place. Yeah, fridge. Once I went to Jamaica, saw our jug in there and I thought, what's in it? And it's not a syrup. What's in it? Smell it. I wonder who put that there. Venus, I think it's funny. Oh, this is good. This is nice. Tinned tomatoes. What a drink. So I drank the lot. Not long after, 40 years later, I went to the fridge, diddle, saw our lemonade bottles. What's in it? Lemonade. Smell it. Smells like a 42-year-old. Plum. Smell it. Wonderful. Drink, and drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more. Drink, and drink some more, and drink some more. Drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our lemonade box. What's in it? Yes, fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. I think you know what I mean. This is a snatch full of oil, thick. We had oil. So sad.